for the Badger State Tractor Pullers Tour, so it's a heavy hitter on the track, no doubt. And that's where Johnny Peterson, the Iron Horse, said, hey, I'm going to reset the sled. Let's make this a little heavier. So officially do have a sled reset. This is the new test puller of the class. Sitting number 7 on the national level in the Super Farm division is the Hooked Up. How many international fans are here tonight? Our first one on the track, where's our red? Few kids that could be driving this tractor. I got to keep them all straight, but this is Denny Jacoby. No, Denny's the old man. Yeah, we're going to have to go back to our records here and check it out. Anyways, Denny Jacoby, the Black Stallion Case. Nice pass right there for the Case, Denny Jacoby. This is one of the members of the state organization that's coming to us here in Viroqua. One of the extra players coming to jump in the United States Tractor and he's the old man. Right there, oh, and for the hustler. Right at the 300-foot marker. This is complete by him and his team right near Jefferson, Wisconsin. This tractor put together by them, kind of a custom creation to them. It's called the Homegrown John Deere. Great tractor to see go down the track. Good one to get a video of right here. Trip Downing coming your way. Chuck Gutenberg, and I'll let you know there's over 20 tractors that compete on the national level, so you don't be in the middle of the pack, ain't so bad. A good running tractor right here, an old school sheet metal coming your way, the 3688 Chuck Gutenberg. State Tractor Pullers coming into the night. Number 3 in the point standings for the Twisted Deer, John Deere. How about it, folks? Where's all my Fritz fans here tonight? after that, he has second place in Viroqua, Wisconsin. Then he went to Vernon County Fair, second place finishes in a row. 2 events left to go before this tractor could be crowned the 2022 Series Points champion. Jason Vinny, all cranked up, Cottage Grove, Wisconsin, Case IH 8940. On the east side of the state, Heartland, Wisconsin, just northwest of Milwaukee, 150 miles away from the Vernon County Fairgrounds. 5-Acre King, Doug Griswold. Right in the mix right there for the 2 John 100 feet fans.